So join us as we go and get vegetable, or should I don't even know what I should call it. Should I call it vegetable or should I call this leaf? Because this is not the kind of leaf that have season. Even in dry season, this leaf is available. Even in rainy season, this leaf is also available. So because it is winter season, the all the vegetables like ugu, green leaf, all the vegetables that my mommy cultivates around the house, it has all dried up. And where you want to, then there's this kind of food that we want to cook, one of our village food that is made with corn, enough vegetable and beans. So because we want to do this food and we don't have leaf, we decided to go and get this leaf. So guys, calm down and watch this video and see how we go for vegetable hunting. You're going to see this giant tree that has enough leaf on it. This kind of leaf, you can use it for rice stew, jollof, any kind of thing, because it's very good for our health, because it supplies blood and many other benefits. If I see the name, I'm going to drop it on the comment section so you can research about it. And if you have it in your area and but you don't know, you can even go for it and use it for any kind of food that you would prefer to use it. Okay, so guys, see you in the last part of this video. So at the last part, we are done getting the leaf. You can see how fresh it is. We even managed to get some firewood for as wood cooking. So this is the fresh leaf. You can see how the vegetable was so fresh. I don't even know if I should call this vegetable or should I call it leaf, because this kind of vegetable you can use it for every kind of food you want to cook. For us, we're going to use this for one of our village native food that is called I have even posted it on my wall before. So this kind of food is made with corn, this vegetable and beans with enough onions and fresh pepper.